Gonna go for optics? Yeah. I gotta vote on Sahara and optics. Wait, I don't even know if Sahara is submitted. I'll probably vote later on, tomorrow or something. I was just curious to see some of the new maps. Whoa. It's kind of crazy. Interesting. Wow. Okay. Hello, Justin. And definitely restart your run. But it's very close by. Not really an issue. That's the first one that caught my eye. It's full of bevels. Oh my god, look at this. Holy. $74. Fountain? Yeah. That looks pretty cool. Not sure what those are. It's a cool effect on it. Oh, you know what? What the fuck? I don't know if there's so many faces in there. It's kind of fucked. But it looks cool. What's this one? Oh, checkpoint. Interesting. Oh, what the hell is that? Interesting. I guess it's to prevent big skips. Kind of boring, the map. It definitely is a map. It looks pretty. Gameplay is boring, though. It's a tier 1, so can't really say anything about it. I think it's for the better. Like, the new players can play some new maps. Oh, 68. Interesting blocks. It's very interesting how there's only this one checkpoint. Is there somewhere that you can skip? I guess not. What's the sheet saying? This works, LJ works, this works too. Map file and workshop. Oh yeah. For some reason that map is super fucking huge. Forgot what I could use. Fuck, I forgot the command for it. Oh yeah, here we go. Map workshop. Wait, I need the workshop ID for this. Hello, gosh. It's only KZ Cherry. Oh, dude, it's huge. It's fucking huge. Oh, wow. Crazy. Oh yeah, I think I saw this. Definitely wins the workshop page. Izzy Cherry. Well, yeah, it is a map. Nothing much to check on this. I think bevels are overused. Cool map. Wait. Oh, dude, I thought I was muted. I was like, I'm having conversations with Justin. How am I muted? That'd be crazy. Look how look how well the map is made. That's the only thing I can say something about. Wait, what the fuck? That's annoying. Wait, were you also complaining about this and this? You know what? I don't know what I'm hitting, but yeah, I guess that's a bit annoying, but that's not enough to vote. No, deny. It's just that if you already mentioned it, then I won't mention it, but yeah, that's the only thing I can say. I saw a post about this here on the map approval team chat. Yeah. Yeah, I saw this. I wanted to say something, but I was like, I don't even know if I'm gonna be testing maps. But yeah, I agree with Marcus. I think that was not okay. It's much better now. Pretty map. Pretty cool graphics over here. Yeah, not much to say, honestly. It is a map. You found a skip. I wonder what it was. Like a tree skip or something? I didn't see the map testing thread. I was trying to find skips earlier. And I don't know what's the thought process behind this singular checkpoint here. I don't know how to explain, that's fine. Well, I guess I can check the map testing thread if I want to see it this badly. I don't get this. Maybe he wanted this to be a split, but it's checkpoint. Like, the only reason this would be here is to force the route because there's a skip. Oh, you could walk along the wall? Okay, that's kind of bad, yeah. Imagine walk around here and just end it. Oh shit, those things dangle in the wind. Oh, bruh. That's so cool. I just noticed. Well, cool map. But next map. Next map should be KZ Porn. Workshop. Yep, that's the only one.
Let's have it, lads.
This map reminds me of KZ RC Fanboy. It just has that vibe. Wait, those are the same thing? Interesting. Oh, you know, if you have your settings on, like, what's that setting called? Yeah, it's the FX super resolution. It's gonna look so grainy. Hello SV1, Mr. Full Shift at the gym. You do 9 hours at the gym, I do 9 hours at work. We are not the same. You are more jacked than me, that's for sure. But we are not the same. Ooh. It's kind of hard to see the blocks. It's kind of trippy. Yeah, you can definitely not see the edge over here. I don't like that. Wait. Damn. You're fast. I didn't even know what he wrote. Hello, Kako. I didn't even see what he wrote and he was already banned. That's my mod, bro. You're getting promoted. Hey, SB1. Which team are you supporting, bro, in the World Cup? I wanted to ask you this. Yeah, I think the contrast between the blocks is not good. Like, you can barely tell. Stop watching football. The obvious pick would have been to support Saudi Arabia. Scotland? Wait, what's up with Scotland? I had England. It's close enough to Scotland. Oh shit. What'd that do? Oh, there's a teleport to it. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, it's that guy. Don't you like Scotland? I heard the goalkeeper of Saudi was like Prime Buffon. Wait, are we talking about the same team? Was it not Cap Verde? Your info might be wrong, server number 1. Is Saudi Arabia even... I forgot who they played against. Wait, I wasn't running? Oh. Okay. That is also a map. I'm guessing this is doable on vanilla. The only thing so far is just that contrast between the blocks. Everything else looks fine. Especially in the red section. In those sections it's fine. Looks pretty cool. That's a pretty nice skip here. On vanilla. Oops. I think it's just lighting. If there was more light, it would have been easier. Like here, for example, it's hard to see the edge. All the other sections are fine. Oh, never mind. Was very bright. I didn't see. It looks very dark indeed. But it's fine. It's not like too dark or anything. 90% brightness right now is default. But this section would be better if it's brighter, I believe. It was so bright you couldn't see even of the gameplay. The fuck? Oh, I bet there was a lot of bloom or something. That made it even look brighter. Oh, this one I always get confused. It looks like I can't stand there. I guess I can just do that. It definitely is a map on vanilla. I wish there was like a technical jump somewhere. But that's not the goal of this map. Let's hit the 240 block just for fun. Oh yeah. Bro, optics on fucking CKZ. I'm just gonna run it, then I'm not even gonna play it on vanilla. I'm just gonna trust whoever was testing it. No way I can do it. Yeah, because we asked Marcus if they would need a video, and it's safer if they do, because, you know, every single hard tier map comes with a video. So it's kind of weird for us just to put a filter on this just because we were told it's doable. Oh, wait. Did it just become... Am I tripping? Yeah, it looks... It's fine. Like, lighting is fine, but it looks unnecessarily dark for some reason. This map also reminds me of KZ Huber on Go KZ. What's this? Oh, that's the tunnel. Yeah, it definitely is a map. There's risk of resetting your run as well. Not optimal, but I guess the map is super easy until then, so it's not that big of a deal. What else? Core support, that's fine. Everything is fine here. Oh yeah, it was much brighter before. I think I like it like that compared to the other one. Doesn't look too bright. Or maybe on his end it's not too bright. The only thing I can say is the contrast between the blocks. Yeah, the red one. The only thing I can say is the contrast in Red Room. Between blocks and floor. Okay, next map. It's doable vanilla. Casey Moss. Loki excited to see this one. Festive says gay. Wait, I missed that chat. Oh, he said it a while back. Gay? Why he say gay? Is it because we're in the month of Pride? Oh. Okay, I like that. Hey, what the fuck? That's gotta be fixed. That thing is floating. No, just testing maps. I don't want to vote just yet. I'll probably vote tomorrow. Oh damn, where the fuck? Oh. I was just excited to see some of the new maps. Especially the CS2 originals. Oh wow. The glow on that end zone is insane. Whoa. I like that. Holy. Wait, is that an Eldro in this? Whoops. KZ Moss. Still a couple of things to do. TP triggers, glass, grass. Let me know it's too hard for tier 1, okay? When CS2KZ comes out of beta, when Alpha Kex decides to cook. But yeah, we don't have a date for this. If someone has a date for you, they're lying. Hi back, hello back. Haha, classic. Yeah, overgrown theme, I know. I guess this could be considered as tier 1. Who made this? A guy called Bougie. A youth with a flute. He's a youth. Yeah, this is a 4 CJ. Oh wait, no, this is not a CJ, sorry. Nope, I take that back. New to the scene? It appears so. Oh shit, hello, I'm about to go to sleep. Good night. See you, Amanda. Thanks for stopping by, Amanda. Dude, my eyes don't go up in the YouTube chat. I have both of them open in front of me. Where am I from? I'm from Mauritius. Currently living in Canada. I speak French, I speak English, I speak Mauritian Creole. So I don't really have that English accent or Canadian accent. And I managed to kind of get rid of my French accent when I speak English. So it's not very obvious that I speak French. This could be tier 1. I think it's fair to put this as tier 1. Some of the jumps over here. You got rid of the disgusting accent? I agree. Well, it's weird to hear my name said correctly. Amanda. Yeah, I know. Oh, this wall is very interesting. I simply... Do I actually have a bit of French in there? No. Usually it's very hard to tell. I don't know if people just say it to make me feel better, but when I speak to Canadians, they're like they know I'm not Canadian, obviously. But they would think that I'm not a native French speaker. If I can fool them like that, I'm happy. As long as they don't know I'm a native French speaker. I can't fool Josh that easily. Yeah, I see so many people who get confused over here. I thought you just lived in Canada. Oh, no. Hey, it's quite the opposite, actually. I just studied from the age of 18. I moved in here to study. I did my degree for 4 years. And I got my permanent residency in Canada. I work now and basically trying to make a life for myself. Up in the 6, aka Toronto. You like it in there compared to my country back home? Yeah, of course, bro. You earn so much more money. You have a lot of facilities. Let's say people are better. The public transport is better. You can actually order from Amazon and not have it take a fucking month to ship because, you know, Mauritius is in the middle of nowhere, so shipping times are quite terrible. Uh, yeah, like it's cool. It's pretty cool, I think. And you know, like in terms of technology, it basically all ties up to how remote it is, right? The importation is very low because it comes from the US. Um, so stuff like graphics card, like computer shit, like shit that I care about, um, it's kind of cheap, right? Like it's cheaper than in Europe apparently, or as cheap, which it isn't cheap. But if you compare it to Mauritius, it's like 1.5 times more expensive than what it is over here. So I'm quite happy about this, and your purchasing power is way higher. Like if you convert it to Mauritian rupees, I literally earn as much or more than my dad, and he worked. He's already retired, but he worked for 40 years, and I've only been working for like 3 years. So imagine. So our purchasing power, if you need to buy stocks and shit, it's way higher. I'm guessing this skip was possible. That's why he added this. But this skip is still possible. Like if someone can strafe well, they could do this skip quite easily actually. Is this mentioned? This has got to be mentioned. But I'll mention it regardless. Oops. What's the other folder? This skip is almost definitely still possible. He said he has to add algae room and shit, so I'm sure I'm gonna be repeating a bunch of shit, but your start zone border green stuff is floating. Your end zone border is fire spot. This map, I would say, is a bit borderline. Just in terms of geometry. It's cool. I would still vote yes on it. But it's a bit... yeah. I think adding a bunch of props would really, really help. Like... I think... Vines... Props... yeah, and they're around... yeah, Valley. Oh, I'm guessing he's gonna put a trigger over here. Right? TP triggers. He just wants vanilla feedback. Or, sorry, tier feedback. Oh, tier 1 vanilla. Hello, Alco. Yeah, let's test this on vanilla. Oh, what the fuck? Wait, that's not solid. Was I tripping? I bumped against this, right? This is not tier 1 vanilla. It does not look tier 1 vanilla. That's fair enough for tier 1. Actually. Yeah, that's fair enough. It's very, very minimal strafes. Sure. Eh. You have good sync? Yeah, that's for sure. This is not a CJ. If it was a CJ, that's at least tier 2. There's not there's not much yeah, you can rewind. There's not much. The only thing I said was at the start there's something that blocks you, like on the fence, and the collision for the underside of that block is a bit weird. That's it. Otherwise, there's nothing else. It's a tier 1 map, man. Like, it's a tier 1 map, yeah. It's as much as I can say. Yeah. I mean, we test for the same thing, so it's very likely that we find the same thing. Wait, what was I gonna do right now? I forgot. I think tier 1 is fair, not gonna lie. You found a beautiful skip? Show? Oh, cherry. Oh, the pissman didn't find anything? Oh, it's kind of hard to find. I'm not surprised, and it's like no big deal, those two things. But I would have mentioned it, but Justin already did, so... Oh, wait. That's the route, not the surf up. Okay. Is a tier 1 player supposed to know that they can surf this up? I think only this makes it tier 2. Hello, Breezy. The scale for this brick is fine. This one, I think is too big. Texture scale on this. This feels too big. Scale add on the letter. I'm sure a lot of things were mentioned before. Wait, gosh, you haven't made a map yet? I saw you made a map for the mapping competition. Halloween. Wait, Slide and Be Up is KZ? Yeah. KZ Hereafter was yours. No, sorry, not Hereafter. Uh, fuck, I forgot. Wait, was it the mushroom map and the slide? Dude, that map was fire as fuck. I don't know why you didn't make this, Oh wait, no, it was KZ the spaceship, the spaceship. Was it? KZ redacted. I think it was that spaceship. You know what? The visuals, I would say, are not the best, but the concept is very fun. There's a lot of potential. That's all I want to say. Okay. Dystopia was kind of goated. The visuals about 8 hours. Yeah, it looks a bit rushed. For the lack of better word. What's next map? City Slide Fanboy Lover. Wow. Yeah, I think the main thing I didn't like about that your space map was that room with boosters and the key. Like that room was very hard, at least for me. And it's just hard to know which keys you've collected and which ones you haven't. And it's not doable in vanilla. So fuck you. Oh, let's be Yeah, don't touch that map again. Make a remake. I needed filler for gameplay time, so I just added key. I like the thought process, honestly. I wish for checkpoints that we actually could have some way of tracking them. Yeah. Got a menu, but a valve, of course. Oh wait. Yeah. I'm sure you could make a plugin for it, but the problem is how do you display it, right? Displaying is a problem. What did I miss? This one reminds me of KZ Jump and Run. Oh, it does. Yes, it does. It's very, very similar aesthetics. You know, a bunch of maps this release have similar aesthetics. Even KZ Porn has similar aesthetics to this. Oh, this map's super short. Wait. Oh, that must be a bonus. What the fuck? Oh, it's a TP trigger. That's cool. Oh, wow. That's cool. Quotes. All over the screen. Yeah, I'm not tapping all that. Here. Oh, that shit must be like tier 5 or something. What the fuck? Wait, so why is there only one course here? Interesting. I feel like I could do it with enough tries. Ladder surf. Oh shit. Wait. Yeah, this shit. It's just a bonus. Higgs mentioned. Unironically, if this was more visible, it would have been low-key a nice graphic. But that's so ass. That is so ass. Bonus. Wait, why is this one different? Well, this should have been multi, but it's single. I guess we flag this. Yo, those maps are a bit too simple, in my opinion. It's a bunch of maps that are like this. This block. They probably already flagged this, but whatever. This block is a single B-hub instead of multi. Map feels a bit too simple. Not feels. Looks good. It's very similar to some others. You know what's good? Zero color coded the triggers to be different depending on what they do. This is multi, this is single. That's really helpful. What's that giant ass trigger? Anti-B hub. Nice. Yep, Zero might just be him. Emo Pepsi guy? Joji? I didn't know that he had any affiliation with Pepsi. Let me see if I can do this jump. Why does this not TPU? Oh, it's anti-B hub. And it's a normal... Wait, does that mean... Hahaha. Yeah. Well, it's not a big deal, I guess. But, like... I'm gonna mention it just in case. Maybe it's unintentional for him to use that. Your reset trigger is a multi hub in case you did not that. Very simple map. No, the thing with okay, it's it's not gonna be ranked. That bonus is probably not gonna be ranked. Let's see. I think it's too short. I'm okay with it just because it's not like the main map. It sucks that it's forced though. If it's unranked, I'm fine with it. If it's ranked, then I don't like it. I don't. The bonus seems fine until the ladder surf. You know, as long as it's consistent. Yeah, 7 tech. I mean, it's consistent. It's. I'm just trying to play devil's advocate here. I think the only thing that bothers me about it, it's how unintuitive it is. Yeah, it's a very hard jump for sure. Yeah. Okay, it's not tier 3. For sure that's not tier 3. It's at least a tier 4. This block alone, yeah. Yeah, this map is hard. Damn, wait. That's some unheard beef right now. New KZ beef. I'm fine as long as it's unranked course. We don't care about ranked. I mean unranked. Just do whatever you want. And I think due to length alone, it should be unranked. Or like difficulty spike, that is. Okay. Let me check. What was the thing? Yep, that's good. LG works, this shit works. Sealy slide, fanboy lover. Sealy slide, fanboy lover. Hello, Lazzy. Yeah, that definitely is a map as well. Not much to say about it. It's very simple. Kiziyake? No. No, no, no. Yake made another map that has not been submitted. It's not even Kutyo that was submitted for the competition. It was Slide isn't WAD, or WAD is We want WAD. KZ slide. We want WAD. Yeah, that was the map. What is the thing of the past? Damn, I'm hearing zero. I just heard that in Zero's voice. Wait, this map is CS6, by the way. I am not doing this. Are those resurf inhibitors? Those are definitely resurf inhibitors. Classic, classic read here. I like it. Minor thing over here. Oh man, that song is a fucking banger. Wait. Oh yeah. Interesting map. Honestly, I don't know what to say. I can't test gameplay. Let's test other things. It is a map. It's very short, no? Wait, what? You didn't lie when he said it's an average map? Yep, that's fine. What else? Slight agave, right? Slight agave. Slight agave, that's fine. Workshop could use some more images, but it's just fine. Yeah, I don't know what else to skip. to test. Course. Oh, I forgot to do end on the other maps. Well, I'm just hoping it's correct. They'll be fine, surely. Shall we listening to this? It's Drake from the Six. Manish on the beach shebang. All of my ops, they dead. Something, something, where does it go? My head. Let me check it quickly. CD pump boiler. Nursery rhythm. Dude, that ball is so fucking lame. It's so funny. Time for some country. Hazy porn. It's perfect. Next was cherry. Casey Moss. Wait, did I even test other things on Moss? Oh, I don't think I did because he was just looking for feedback for the tier. Yeah, yeah. Well, not gonna say anything because he's not done with the map, but I was expecting this to be done. Krizune. I don't think the start text is necessary. That's kind of ugly, no? Ugly? Don't think so. You are allowed to have an opinion. It might be the incorrect opinion, but you're allowed to have it as your own. I respect your incorrect opinion. Is that my words? Sounds like an opinion to me. Surely there's gotta be doable in vanilla. Oh, maybe not. Oh. Maybe it is. Oh, the actual textures are black. Interesting. Oh, I just realized there are no light probes. Hello, old DGT 25. Light probes are missing. Also shocking because SV1 got the best hypervisual stuff in my opinion, usually. See? This guy knows it's his opinion, SV1. Maybe some people should learn from this. Anyway, yes, I agree with it. He's the media producer, so he needs an eye for this shit. This looks like it's gonna be interesting on vanilla. Is the mapper say it was doable? Ooh, if it's tier 3 then... Okay. Let's... I'm trying to find a word that's not too incriminating here. Let's do something to this mapper to make him or her make this map doable in vanilla. Let's encourage the mapper. Oh, that jump is definitely not possible. That's gonna need some change, buddy. You can stand on ladders. Thanks for info. Oh, that jump is definitely not possible. What the fuck is going on here? Okay, yeah, this map is cooked. Yeah, I don't think we can make the mapper make this doable on vanilla. Never mind. We're gonna touch your mapper? Oh no, we're not gonna do that. Hello, Alexis. It's too much work to make this doable in vanilla. It's not worth it. It's gonna ruin his map. Hey, this is a copy and paste from the first section, no? Where are we going? Okay, what the flip? Wait. Wait, were you guys saying the map is ugly or the start zone? The start zone. Opinion does not change? I was saying the text, the start zone text is a bit ugly. Damn, I can't believe you agree with this, everyone. It's your opinion after all, so it's fine, I guess. Yeah, I don't know about the end text, bro. Okay, I don't know. I will remove the word ugly. I'll put a bit weird. I'm pretty sure if Mapper will ask help on A, he can do it. It's fine, like, you know, it's just personal preference. Personal preference, that sucks. Nice probe missing. Both map does not have or support. That's nice. We are doing ASMR today on this Creed's stream, testing KZ Creed Sune. Dude, I thought that's how we got money over here. Sorry. I apologize, gosh. Unmute me. It's just my opinion. My opinion can be wrong. And by no means will that affect anything. Like, this doesn't affect anything. Need big fat honkers on the face cam? Ooh. That's definitely lacking in this very stream. I think map is pretty solid. Very, very, very solid. It looks good. The start zone is a bit weird. There's no light probe. There's no all support. But otherwise, gameplay looks very solid. I like it. Very, very solid. I like how those blocks are just transparent. We need passive income. Start rolling ads on CS2KZ.org. When? @read. Cool map. I like it. Oh, interesting. What's that about? Back face? Yeah. But every... Oh, wait, they don't have a back face. Wait, this one does. But this one's different. I don't know, it does not affect anything. You know, I wonder if those back faces, if the light map is calculated on this. Do you think it's calculated on this? Because it's transparent, right? So it does not need lighting. Yo. I cannot enable it. Because I don't have the light map data on with me. I'll be so curious to see how if the light map grid is projected on this. Yep, I've already told him. Light probe's missing. Map does not have all support. Otherwise, map is solid. Good job. We can at least do all QMap debug colors. map. Oh, it's present here. Wait, is that cube map only? Is that light probe? Because the light probe is what we're looking for. Oh, time to bust out the... Source 2 viewer. I wish I could get a good job from ready. Bro, Kako, you make good maps. What do you mean? Open. Uh. I want to, then I open ham and I no longer want to? Hmm. Where the fuck is the map? Hello? Okay. This is light probe. Wait. Okay, if this is light probe, then tell me why the game looks like this inside. No? Oh wait, I think there's no light probe here. Oh, yeah. So there's only... Whoops. Wait, wrong info. Wrong info. Light probe. Isn't but the spawn point isn't covered. Wait, good thing we checked that, because he does have light probes. Light probes everywhere, actually. I'm going to make gameplay? Oh my god, dude, Yeah, buddy, keep waiting. It's not gonna be until anytime soon. I need to get that LJ video going. The LJ video that's also getting delayed. There's the World Cup going on. I'm gonna go this weekend. Not to assist in an actual match, but to like watch on a big screen, like downtown. Uh, there's also the major finals going on this weekend, so ooh, tough. Yes, who am I rooting for the major? Loki Falcons. I want to see Monacy and especially Nico win a major. But I don't think they're gonna win, bro. Vitality. I still have faith in Vitality. Oil money team, let's go! Okay, if they win that matchup against Vitality, they're winning that major. Whoever wins Vitality, Falcons is winning. What about Donk? Yeah, they are super strong, but I feel like they've got a lot of time to prepare. And historically, Falcons have had good results against Spirit, so it's a 50-50 for me. So I'm going with Falcons against if there's a Falcon Spirit matchup. Holy fuck, you put tier 5 as TP? I cannot do this map. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm not doing this on any... I'm just gonna check like a bunch of things. Bro, that is tier 5? That's crazy. That is crazy. Low-key not hard. You know, I've tried the first few jumps and I can't be bothered doing it. Like, it's actually terrible CKZ gameplay. Tier 12? Ooh. Wait, that's a new map? Oh, CSGO, never mind. Oh, I haven't played this. Oasis. Shit. It's been so long. I've not even subbed to it. Too faded? Oh, I think I've tested this one. Kiwi Slop. I haven't seen this one. This does not look like a Kiwi map. Variety fixed. Oh shit. I haven't played this either. I'm curious what you think about it being unranked for CKZ. Ranked ranked for vanilla is fine. Unranked for CKZ, yeah. That shit is so ass. For vanilla, like, who gives a shit? It's vanilla. But if it was like, if we're actually serious about being ranked on vanilla, of course it can't be ranked. It cannot be ranked. There's probably like a bunch of RNG stuff on vanilla. Yeah, it's super awkward, CKZ, for sure. But we can't go with there's an argument for it being ranked, right? Because uh if we actually go with like that RNG stuff, then every single map with, let's say, a forced B hub, or sorry, a forced perf, or a jump bug to some extent could be argued to be unranked. Overabundance. Eh. Yeah, this one I think it's a bit overused. It's ported and made doable in vanilla. The logo is a bit overused. It's, yeah, by Higgs. Check DMs. Is what's the use of it? Is it gonna be used in maps or because this looks low-key very sick. What does that mean? 735. Vector hertz style? I think it looks very, very good. I could see this being used in maps, like as a poster. As a logo. Logo where though? No overlap. I like it. It feels like there's a lot going on, but it's very readable, like the CS2KZ. And the TM. I don't know if you want to keep that in, the TM. Might want to remove that. Like, actually, you might want to remove that. Wait, what was I gonna do right now? Oh, yeah. Uh, what was that map? Oasis. The numbers on the bottom were bomb coded. Oh. Yo, okay. I can see that. That's kind of sick. Knowing the meaning, it has so much depth to it. Few beers on a Saturday night. Trying to see how to do this jump without a jump bug. Yeah, I think that requires the bug of the jump. Perf. Looks doable. Nah, that's too far. It's just a little bit of scripting. Gosh, I don't know if you saw. There's a guy called Min that literally admitted to cheating. And then he made a video saying how I was not cheating. You have not seen that? Wait. Let me drop some drama. So, there's this guy. Wait. Where did it start, by the way? Oh yeah, this guy sent a picture of doing head bongo on vanilla CS2, and then yeah, I guess it started from there. Yeah, he posted a video of it. No, he did today. He did, and Zero was like, "Okay, that guy's cheating. Demo or ban." And then it's obviously your binding. Oh wait, what did this guy say? Oh yeah, no yaw. Like that's his config. Obviously there's no yaw, but um what was weird, Zero pulled out the fucking demo and analyzed. And it turns out that he was using something. I don't know if you know. Um but in vanilla, if you like add subtick inputs, it's as if like you have extra tick rate. So you have more gain. More tick rate, more gain. And he was not using the yaw bind, which constantly spams forward. He was using a fucking macro, and that's him. He literally admitted to using a macro that spams like jump or something every 2 milliseconds. I don't know what the fuck that is. And he's like, yeah, that's not cheating. I'm like, bro, what the fuck? He's like, yeah, why are you guys so worked up? He didn't claim it was a world record or anything. If nulls were allowed, I would have beaten this map without the script. And yeah, he literally admits to it. That's insane. And then he posted a video today with this. I got hit with criticism, cheating allegations. Sorry, accusations. Those are not accusations if you admitted to cheating. Hello? I don't get it. Bro, okay. I don't know those guys, but Inobide, I'm assuming it's Inobade. Uh, I think he's a G-Band player. Atlas, I don't know. Claire, cheater. Boy Nikita, yeah, Boy Nikita. Radban, cheater. Mazda, cheater. Hadre, I think might be cheating. No, I don't think so. Yeah. Gamberg, cheater, I think. Inobate, oh, okay. Yeah, it's a bit. I don't know why he says he's not cheating when he admits to it.
Let's move out.
Oh, Inobate cheated? But how did he get unbanned? Copy the text below and paste into AI ChatGPT Gemini. Keep gamer slack. That ironic tone. Okay, look, if he was like genuinely not like cheating, I would not be laughing at this. It's just that he's so fucking stupid that I'm making fun of his English. Otherwise, I would not do this. Like, I respect people who try to learn or speak English. But this guy, bro, he can't be serious. Admitting to cheating and saying he got accused of cheating. But I guess it's fair when you think that macros are not cheats, then you're like, oh, I was not cheating. By the way, just to put stuff into perspective, that what the fuck? Yeah, just to put this into perspective, having the yaw bind, which is basically, you know, when you jump, it spams jump, like either forward or jump. It just spams something to create something inputs. Bro, it gives you so much more gain. I don't know if you know Cheeto, but he LG'd a 260 with that thing. When world record right now is 250. So, yeah. To not call this cheats is insane. Who is Cheeto? Yeah. I don't fucking know. No-namer. Wait, let me put some binds up in this. Let me hit a 245 real quick. Ah, damn, that's too easy. Holy fuck. Wait, that's not water strafes? I swear this was water strafe. Oh, this is water strafe. Wait, why am I crouched? Hello? Oh, this is a slide trigger. What the fuck? Wait, also SV, what's the story about Eno cheating? Yeah, I'm curious about this too. I remember when it happened, he was telling me some funny story that I did not believe. Oh. What the fuck?
Move it, move it. Come on, chop, chop.
What's that slide trigger doing in here? Yo! Gosh, you said you could cheese this shit, no? That's a slide trigger that's not very good. We might need to tell him to change this. Just... Okay. But it's better if he just puts like a TP trigger over here. I don't know. It's your call. I've grown to not trust the push triggers because of you, actually. Thanks for the trust issues. Oh, what the hell? It just TPs you? I swear this was a key, no? Bro, he tells everyone different things. That was 20 years ago? Is this guy even 20 years old? Ain't no way. $250? Yeah, skip that. Okay, brother, how is this possible? How's this not possible? Explain to me how this map is possible.
A temple for prayer. These are usually kept underground. I need to find a way to get up and out of here.
You can stand on the surf? But even you can stand on the surf. Oh, you might be right. No, you can't stand on the surf. Oh! Okay, okay. He's saying a bunch of different things, then that's not a very good sign. But he got unbanned, so GC must have found him not, like, guilty of cheating? I don't know. How does that work? Yo, is this even solid? Yeah. It's CSGO history. Also remember him telling some story that he got banned perma after his initial ban because his brother was playing on same Wi-Fi. This job is hot as fuck. Oh wait. Wait. Haha. Damn, what the fuck? Keep that bitch. Oh, that map is very cool on vanilla. What a fucker. Damn. That jump's kind of hard. Put the binds on and all of a sudden I can do it. Ah. What am I hitting? .66 height. Is that even doable? Cheaters don't cheat to be good. Huh. I know this jump is possible one way or another, jump bug, whatever. It's a very interesting map with vanilla, I like it. It's very techy. So the saying that goes like, you can't cheat the grind.
I've found the golden skull. If
I forgot the name of that guy who clicked and got a perf.
Go, go, go. Let's make this right as rain.
Skodna? Haha. Wait, what the fuck? Isn't that a skip? Does that even save anything? Oh, that does save a little bit of time. I don't like that. I don't like that. Okay, so A, B, C. So the feedback is gonna go like player can go from C and fall on trigger A, get TP'd to B, and save a second or two. This ladder clipping should like the prop or the reverse, whatever. Okay. Very interesting. Guess you can't stand on that. Does this tree skip still exist? This one? Can you... Which tree? Oh, it's non-solid now, so... Guess that got nuked. Oh, there's some solid entity over here, that's dangerous. How do I get on this? It's this high, right? How do I see collision? Matte wireframe? Wait. Bro, I don't know how to enable collisions. Show. Nothing happens. The fuck? Hmm. So you can actually surf up between those two. Anyway, he needs to make those things non-solid. There's no reason for us to be solid. Ooh, what was that? Alright, gosh, thanks for stopping by. Good night. I swear this is not, this did not TPU before, no? Is this not just a key? Nope. It is not. This feels very weird. Why is this blocked like this? Could improve this by making the collision better. Okay, this is non-solid. Oh, what the hell? That's a clip. But it should be doable with high enough prey. No, you cannot perfect 66. Wait. Actually, SV1, you might be cooking. Yeah, I just perfed. You definitely can. I just manually perfed with a 57. Because I got 287, right? So this is definitely possible. Because it's 66. Let's see. Yeah, that's gonna be super fucking hard. You know, even if you can't perf it, I'm sure you can perf and then kind of hit this to get extra height, no? Let me try that. Damn, there's so much shit going on. Or you know what? No. Because from this to this, it's already like 60 height. So I don't think my foot... In any case, it's 66. It's potential for skip here. Is it even a big problem? Yeah, because that skip is so fucking cancer. Oh, wait. My god, everyone. You know what? Good call. That does not save anything. Yeah, good thing you said that. That was so silly. Just testing things that are not a big deal. I don't know if that's a big deal. Let's see the video. What does he do here? Oh, what the fuck was that? Wait. What do I get? Where do we get TP'd here? Oh, wait. I think he jumped on this. What the fuck? Yeah, I think that's fixed. What the fuck was that? Let's see if that ladder skip at the end is in this version. Okay, yeah, it is. Okay. Then everything is fine with the port. Except everything that's not fine about it. Very interesting. So there must have been like a pixel walk or something for him to do this. Cool. Cool map. Cool port. Doable vanilla. Always good to see. Oh, I'm just gonna add that I think CS2 the old logo is a bit overused. That tree skip was fixed. Hmm. I'm guessing he added this to be super high like this to prevent players from just like instead of doing this. But yeah, it doesn't really do anything. Good port, bro, cause he got the music and shit to play. A bit dark. Is it this dark in CSGO version? Oh shit, there's another tree skip. What the fuck? Not gonna lie. I think CSGO version looks better in terms of lighting. It's brighter. I think you should crank up the sun brightness by a few. CSGO version is brighter and looks better. Yeah, I think this is downgrade. Not downgrade, sorry. It could be better. I take that back. It's good. Hmm. You know what? I take this back. But alright, everyone, see you. Thanks for stopping by, brother. Good night. Fuck, which map was I on right now? Oasis, yeah. Pretty solid, pretty solid. Interesting. Other rooms so clean. It's just this one is a lot of messed up faces in there. Everything looks clean. Ooh. Yep, that's clean. Ooh, that text is solid. I wonder if all the texts are solid. Maybe. Yeah. Eh, it doesn't matter. Let's check. Honestly, doesn't matter. Which other map did I sub to? Oasis. Kiwi sub is 176 megabytes. Holy shit, this map. Oh my god. How? Wait. It's a lot. Yep, only KC Oasis. It's already almost 10 p.m. for me. I'll leave it as that. Tested a bunch today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Gonna have to vote later on. Let me just hit a good LG. So let's make it 243. Wait, I want to gauge my LJs first. How good are they right now? Why am I not getting jump stats? Oh. I want to be hop on. Yep. $243, no alias. 245 alias. Yeah, let's make it 245.5 alias. Okay. Come on, 0.5. Yep. Ownage jump bug as well. Come on. Oh. Oh, fuck, that's BB. Let's go. Wait, can I clip this? Let's go. Shit. Damn, okay, that calls for I gotta hit like 246 LJ. Oh, you're still here, Justin. $246 and I'm ending it. The stream, I mean. Not my life, bro. But oh yeah, I was told to go wider on my strips. Oh, almost 246. 50 width? Yeah, I think it's a bit too much. Maybe 246 was a little bit too optimistic. Damn, after hitting that jump bug PB. Okay, 245.5 at least. Can't hit it anymore. Alright, 245.5 would do. On. Oh, bro. Okay, the game told me to fuck off. Alright, I'll do just that. I hit all 3 goals, though. Alright, thanks for everyone who's still here. GG. See you, Justin. See you.